Hi guys, today in this tutorial we will learn about CSS Creative Glowing Loader. Let's start the code. First of all, we want to create a HTML template and title is CSS Creative Glowing Loader. Inside the body, we want a div with class name Loader1. Let's copy this div and paste it one time. We want to change this loader to. Let's link our style sheet index.css and start to style our web page. Margin 0, padding 0 and box sizing is border box. Let's start to style our body. Inside this, display flex, justify content center, align item center, height 100 vh, width 100%, and background color is #262626ff. Save the file, refresh. The background color is okay. Next, we want to style our div. Inside this, display flex, justify content center, align item center, position is absolute, height 30 pixel and width is 300 pixel. Next, we want to style class loader2. Inside this, transform, rotate 90 degree. Let's start to create class loader1 before. Inside this, content and display block, margin 10 pixel, height 30 pixel and width is also 30 pixel, border radius 50%, background color is Doja blue and we want a box shadow that was 1 pixel, 1 pixel, 40 pixel and color is Doja blue. Next, we wanted animation, anim, 3 second, linear, infinity. Let's copy this and paste it one time. We want to change it after and these colors are deep pink. Save the file, refresh. That is okay. Next, we want to copy this and paste it one time. We want to change this loader to and the colors are line and this will be loader 2 and these colors are yellow. Let's save the file, refresh. The loader is looking nice. Let's start to create our animation, keyframes and animation name anim. Inside this, 50%, width will be 150 pixel. Let's save the file, refresh. The loader is working smoothly. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.